So Andrew Anderson here, and just wanted to go into a little bit about the mushroom growing that I was talking about. So I'm over at Everything Mushrooms. This is in Knoxville, Tennessee, and killing a couple birds with two stones here. I'm going to recommend that you do some pearl kits from here to start, although I'm going to give you a couple other sources. I don't have any vested interest in these guys. I don't make any money off of it. But if you do order, make sure that you put it in the Keto Group, because what it does give me, it gives me some leverage. If there's any issues with any of these things, I can actually go talk to them and say, hey, you know, there's some problems with them. Not that I expect any, it's pretty straightforward and simple, but at least we'll have it here, and they've got a nice storefront. And so I'm going to suggest that you get your kits here. They're about 20 bucks for them, and I'll show you how to get mushrooms coming out your ears for a long, long time, just from that one little small investment, and it'll more than pay for itself in poundage of mushrooms within a short period of time. Okay, Andrew Anderson signing off, and we'll talk later. Go 6 gear. You can do this.